Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change and disable image zoom on product pages in Shopify Dawn Theme. So what you'll need to do is basically go to your store, then click on themes and click on edit theme. After that, what you'll need to do is go to your collections. It is my default collection, so I'll click on the default one. Maybe you have a custom one, so click on the custom. After that, you'll see this product information. If you click on that one, you'll see a zoom right here. If you don't see this menu, what you'll need to do is zoom out a little bit and you'll see the menu on the right, and then click and find where it says media, zoom, click no zoom. You can choose click and hover, open lightbox or no zoom, and click save, and basically you will now disable a zoom on product page. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, and see you in the next one.